A leader is tested when the easy path is corruption plus personal gains, and the hard path is principle. VB Chiwenga took the hard path. Sarapina mashuko bda toko pana Isaac Makomich. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipida pangwena mdanyuna chiti. Power will always offer you two roads. The first is wide, smooth, and paved with corruption and self-interest. The second is narrow, steep, and built on principle. Most choose the easy road. They sell out, they cash in, they forget the people. Vice President retired Constantino Chiwenga took the hard path. When the deals came, he refused to sell out. When the pressure came, he refused to betray the nation he fought for. He remembers the liberation struggle was not fought, so a few can eat while the many starve. He remembers the blood in the bush was not spilled, so tenders could be looted in air-conditioned offices. That is the test of a people-centered leader, and Chiwenga passed it. Zimbabwe has no shortage of politicians who will join any table where money is being shared. We have a shortage of leaders who will flip that table when the people are being robbed. Chiwenga chose to stand with the masses. He chose to defend the national interest over personal gain. He chose the constitution over convenience. Anyone can be brave when it costs nothing. Real courage is saying no with yes would make you rich overnight. Real loyalty is standing by the people when abandoning them would make your life easier. Africa is bleeding from leaders who took the easy path. Zimbabwe's leaders who take the road are the hard one. Leaders who will be remembered not for what they owned, but for what they refused to steal. Baby Chiwenga took the hard path. That is why he is trusted. That is why he is feared by the corrupt. And that is why he is the kind of leader this country needs if we are serious about winning. Tuma developments and mdanyo kwa pangwa inapida comment section medu za fura inbox kulipa msoro ke mashoga ntoka na makomichi pamsoro vipi kwa sano Chiwenga. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.